Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 6. Transferring money.
How are you doing?
Great. Thanks.
May I help you with something?
I would like to transfer some money.
Where would you like to transfer money from?
Take it from my savings account.
Where would you like the money transferred?
I want it transferred into my checking account.
How much would you like to transfer?
I would like to transfer $200.
Will that be all today?
That's it for today. Thank you.
How are you today?
Very well.
Do you need help with something?
I need to make a transfer.
What account would you like to transfer the money from?
I want to transfer money from my savings account.
Where do you want the money to go to?
I want the money to be transferred into my checking account.
How much money are you going to transfer today?
$200 will be fine.
Is that all I can do for you today?
I won't be needing anything else.
How's everything with you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
What can I do for you?
I need to transfer money.
Do you know which account you want to take the money from?
From my savings account.
Where are you transferring the money to?
I would like it transferred to my checking account.
How much?
I want to transfer $200.
Will that be all?
Yes. That will be all. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.